हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? आई होप कि आप लोग स्वस्थ होंगे। वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक इन आरकेजी बायोलॉजी ट्यूटोरियल। इन दिस लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट endoplasmic reticulum. See, in short we write ER, that is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endo means inside and plasmic means cytoplasm. Reticulum means network like structure. So endoplasmic reticulum is the network-like structure present in the cytoplasm of the cell. Clear? An endoplasmic reticulum is single membrane bounded structure. It is covered by single membrane, unit membrane. See here, it is known as a highway in the cell because it helps in intracellular transportation of material. मतलब सेल के अंदर मटेरियल के ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में हेल्प करता है इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज द हाईवे इन द सेल. So endoplasmic reticulum considered as highway in the cell as it helps in intracellular transportation. See here, this is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. This line is the cell membrane, plasma membrane, and this is the nuclear membrane. And these network-like structure, that is network of endoplasmic reticulum. On endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes may be present or may be absent. Clear? See, discovery of endoplasmic reticulum. First of all, endoplasmic reticulum observed by Garnier. सबसे पहले endoplasmic reticulum को गार्नियर ने ऑब्जर्व किया था. क्लियर? And endoplasmic reticulum discovered by Claude. Clear? And the term endoplasmic reticulum given by Porter. Clear? So here three scientists. Garnier observed the endoplasmic reticulum. Claude discovered the endoplasmic reticulum, and the term endoplasmic reticulum given by Porter. Clear? Ultra structure of endoplasmic reticulum given by Porter, Claude, and Fulham. Clear? So Fulham, Claude, and Porter gave the ultra structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Origin of endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum originated from pre-existing endoplasmic reticulum. जो पहले से endoplasmic reticulum है उससे नया endoplasmic reticulum originate होता है, या प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन से, सेल मेम्ब्रेन से originate होता है, या न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन से. Clear? See in this diagram, the outer nuclear membrane bulge out or evaginate. Evaginate means protrusion. So that is the protrusion of the outer nuclear membrane and form the network of endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? So endoplasmic reticulum originated from pre-existing endoplasmic reticulum or from plasma membrane, cell membrane, and nuclear membrane by the process of evagination. Clear? Outside bulging out. Clear? Or evagination or protrusion. Clear? See the nature of endoplasmic reticulum. It is considered as the cytoskeleton or endoskeleton of the cell because it provides mechanical support to the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum cell को mechanical support provide करता है, rigidity provide करता है. That's why it is the endoskeleton or cytoskeleton of the cell. Next we see occurrence where the endoplasmic reticulum present. So endoplasmic reticulum present in all eukaryotic cells except mature mammalian RBC. Clear? Prokaryotic cells like the bacterial cell, archibacterial cell, mycoplasma. Here endoplasmic reticulum absent. Germinal cells absent. Oocytes endoplasmic reticulum absent. And embryonic cells. So endoplasmic reticulum absent in mature mammalian RBC, prokaryotic cells, germinal cells, oocytes and embryonic cells. And except these cells, endoplasmic reticulum present in all eukaryotic cells. Okay. Next we see number of endoplasmic reticulum per cell. So depends upon the physiological activity of the cell. It mean अगर कोई सेल फिजियोलॉजिकली बहुत ही एक्टिव है, मेटाबॉलिकली बहुत ही एक्टिव है, उसके अंदर प्रोटीन का सिंथेसिस ज्यादा है, लिपिड का सिंथेसिस ज्यादा है, तो ऐसे सेल में नंबर ऑफ इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम ज्यादा होते हैं. क्लियर? So it depend on the metabolic activity of the cell. If there is much more synthesis and secretion of protein lipid, the number of endoplasmic reticulum will be much more. Clear? See here, in case of liver cells and pancreas, there is the protein synthesis. These are the secretory cells. So there is the number of endoplasmic reticulum much more. And endoplasmic reticulum occupy cover about 10% cell volume. पूरे सेल वॉल्यूम का लगभग में 10% इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम कवर करता है. टाइप्स ऑफ इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. So two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is the rough endoplasmic reticulum and other is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. See, जब इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम पे राइबोसोम्स अटैच होते हैं, ठीक है, तो ऐसे इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम को हम रफ इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम बोलेंगे. If ribosomes are absent, there is no presence of ribosomes on the endoplasmic reticulum. Such endoplasmic reticulum known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? And ribosomes attach on the endoplasmic reticulum with the help of a glycoprotein. एक glycoprotein के help से ribosomes endoplasmic reticulum पे attach होता है. तो ऐसे endoplasmic reticulum को हम rough endoplasmic reticulum बोलते हैं. And that glycoprotein is the ribofurins. So ribosomes attach on the endoplasmic reticulum with the help of a glycoprotein that is known as ribofurins. Clear? See here, what are the structures, what are the component or elements present in the endoplasmic reticulum. So mainly three components. One is the cisternae, next vesicles and tubules. Clear? So cisternae, vesicles and tubule participate in endoplasmic reticulum formation. These are the different elements. See about the cisternae. This is the diagram of cisternae, and cisternae are narrow, unbranched, tubular, flattened structure. Clear? Here we can see in diagram, this is the narrow, unbranched, tubular and flattened structure. Clear? And cisternae arise from plasma, that is the cisternae arise from the nuclear membrane. Clear? And they are close present to the nuclear membrane. Clear? तो इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन से अराइज होता है, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन से अराइज होता है और ये न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन के क्लोज पाया जाता है. क्लियर? एंड इट अराइज एज अ bulge out, protrusion. Clear? And they are interconnected. Cisternaes are interconnected. एक सिस्टर्नी से दूसरा सिस्टर्नी कनेक्ट होता है. क्लियर? एंड दे आर अनब्रांच्ड. ये ब्रांच्ड नहीं होते, अनब्रांच्ड होते हैं, बट दे आर इंटरकनेक्टेड टू वन अनदर एंड मेक द नेटवर्क लाइक appearance, network like structure. Ribosomes, see these are the ribosomes attached on the endoplasmic reticulum, that mean on cisternae. So ribosomes may be present or may be absent on cisternae. If ribosomes absent, there is no ribosomes on cisternae, that is the smooth cisternae. If ribosomes present, it is the rough cisternae. Clear? And such type of cisternae, that mean mainly found in protein forming cell, protein synthesizing cells. rough cisternae, mainly present in protein synthesizing, protein forming cells. Clear? So, and here we can see the diameter of the lumen of cisternae about 40 to 50 micrometer. Clear? So, cisternae are the narrow, unbranched, tubular, flattened structures, and they arise from the nuclear membrane by the process of evagination, protrusion, and they closely present to the nuclear membrane. न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन के क्लोजली प्रेजेंट होता है, नजदीक प्रेजेंट होता है, नियर टू द न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, एंड दे इंटरकनेक्टेड टू वन अनदर and make the network like structure, and they mainly found in protein synthesizing cell, protein forming cells. Next elements, that is the vesicle. See, this is the diagram of vesicle, and their diameter of lumen, that is the 25 to 500 micrometer. Clear? And on the surface of vesicle, ribosomes may be present or may be absent. If present, then considered as the rough vesicle. If absent, then considered as the smooth vesicle. Clear? And vesicles are oval, rounded, sac-like structure, as we can see in diagram, and they mainly found in synthesis and secretory type of cells like the goblet cells, mucus cells and plasma cells. Vesicles जो है वो synthesizing and secretory type of cells में mainly present होते हैं, जैसे कि goblet cell है, mucus cell है, plasma cells है. Clear? And ribosomes may be present or may be absent. And vesicles mainly present close to the cisternae. कहाँ पे? cisternae के नजदीक present होते हैं vesicles. Clear? See the next elements, tubules. This is the diagram of tubule, and tubules are highly branched tubular structure like this, and they are wider than the cisternae. cisternae से ज्यादा इनका diameter होता है, about 40 to 190 micrometer, and they present close to the plasma membrane. और ये प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के क्लोज प्रेजेंट होता है, सेल मेम्ब्रेन के क्लोज प्रेजेंट होता है tubules, and there is no presence of ribosomes on the tubules. So they mainly present in lipid forming, lipid synthesizing cells. Clear? So these are the three elements or component of endoplasmic reticulum: cisternae, vesicle and tubules. Tubules produce from the cisternae when there is no ribosomes and cisternae become branched, then they give rise the tubules. Clear? See here one more term, sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum means, student, it is a special term given to the endoplasmic reticulum of, that is the muscle cells. Muscle cells के endoplasmic reticulum को हम sarcoplasmic reticulum बोलते हैं. Clear? And the cell membrane of the muscle cell known as the sarcolemma. Clear? And the cytoplasm of the muscle cell known as the sarcoplasm. Clear? So it is a special term given to the endoplasmic reticulum of muscle cell, that is the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Clear? In next lecture we will discuss difference between the rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? So I request to all of you, please subscribe my channel and like, share and comment the videos.